Hello everyone. Every year on February 14, people across the globe observe Valentine's Day to celebrate love and companionship with their partners. The celebration of Valentine's Day is almost here. Valentine's Week will end with the celebration of Valentine's Day on February 14. The day is known as the most preferred occasion. The history of Valentine's Day is known or unknown to someone. Valentine's Day is popularly symbolized by the Roman god of love, Cupid. Therefore, Valentine's Day is all about celebrating the feeling of being in love. Valentine's Day is named after Saint Valentine, a Catholic priest who lived in Rome in the 3rd century. I devote my Valentine's Day to my parents. Happy Valentine's Day to all.